Hi students, good morning. Now the continuation part of integration topic. Formulas. Let us recall integration of sin x minus cos x, derivative of sin x cos x, integration of cos x minus sin x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, integration of tan x log sec x, derivative of tan x secant square x, integration of cot x log sin x, derivative of cot x minus cosec square x, integration of sec x log of sec x plus tan x or log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, derivative of sec x into tan x, integration of cosec x log of cosec x minus cot x or log of tan x by 2. So derivative of cosec x minus cot x, integration of sec x into tan x sec x, integration of cosec x into cot x minus cosec x, integration of x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1, derivative of x raised to n into x power n minus 1. Okay. Integration of 1 by x log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now we have discussed in exercise 7.2 up to 11 we have discussed. Now I am going to discuss in question number 12. Integration of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x power 5 dx. X power 5 dx. Now we know only one method, substitution method. The way of substitution is, for example, if you take x power 5 equal to t, x power 5 differentiation is 5 into x power 4. 5 limit, but x power 4 not there. Variable should be there. But if you take this as a t, x cube differentiation is 3x square. 3 limit, x square is there? Yes. We can write x power 5 x cube into x square. Are you following? So which is equal to integration of x cube minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 into x cube into x square dx. So this differentiation is there here. X cube minus 1 differentiation is 3x square. 3 limit constant, x square is there. So let this differentiation is there here. That's why let x cube minus 1 equal to t. Now apply differentiation with respect of t. Differentiation with respect of t on both sides. X cube differentiation 3x square into 3x square minus 1 differentiation is 0 into x differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. X square dx keep here. This much is there here. So remaining terms to the side dt by 3. Substitute in that integration x cube minus 1 t power 1 by 3 into x cube equal to t plus 1. Yes, we can take better is also t cube also you can take it. Why? Because t cube if you take cube get cancelled or t anyone both will get same thing. T plus 1 x square dx equal to dt by 3. You will try by taking x cube minus 1 equal to t cube. You will get it 3t square. We will get same answer. Now 1 by 3 constant integration t cube t power 1 by 3 into t power 1 by 3 plus 1 means 4 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3 into dt. Integration 1 by 3 t power expression formula t power 4 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 3 plus 1 plus t power 1 by 3 t power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. Right? So 1 by 3 t power 7 by 3. This is 7 by 3 comes up 3 by 7 into t power 7 by 3 plus 4 by 3 3 by 4 into t power 4 by 3 plus c. T is unknown. T is equal to x cube minus 1. We are substitute here 1 by 3 into 3 by 7 x cube minus 1 whole power 7 by 3 plus 3 by 4 x cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 plus c. Let me can multiply. It will get cancelled. Or some variable also we can take on. X cube minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 also we can take on. Yes. Next. Question number 30. Integration x square by 2 plus 3x cube whole power 3 dx. Here which derivative is in the numerator? This derivative is not there. X square differentiation is 2x. But here inside value bracket 2 derivative is 0. 3x cube differentiation 9x square. 9 leave it. X square is there or not? Yes. So this is considered as t. When the bracket is there, single function in the bracket, instead of taking this as a t, you take the whole value. Better. Okay. Let 2 plus 3x cube equal to t. Now apply differentiation with respect of t. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. 2 differentiation is 0. 3 x cube differentiation 3x square into dx by dt equal t differentiation with respect of t is 1. So x square dx equal to dt by 9. So integration of x square dx equal to dt by 9. 2 plus 3x cube equal to t cube, which is equal to 1 by 9. 1 by t cube integration, take up t power minus 3 into t, which is in the form of x raised to n. X raised to n. X raised to n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is which is next step. This is for this don't write equal. Okay. Or instead of here one step, this step you can write and continue proceed. Now 1 by 9 t power minus integration t power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 9 t power minus 3 means t power minus 2. This is minus 2. So t power minus 2 by minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 8 by t square. T power minus 2 you can write 1 by t square. So minus 1 by 80 plus 8. 1 by, change the variable t. T is equal to 2 plus 3x cube whole square plus c. Next, the question number 14. Integration 1 by x into log x whole raised to m dx. Where x is greater than 0, m not equal to 1. Which derivative is there here? Log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So let log x equal to t. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. Log x differentiation 1 by x. X differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. T differentiation is 1. dx by x keep here, remaining transpose that side dt. So now the next, which is equal to integration dx by x is dt by log x equal to t power m. The way of finding is t power minus m dt, which is in the form of x raised to n. So x raised to n plus 1, t power minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1 plus c. Change the variable t is equal to log x. So log x whole power minus m plus 1 by minus m plus 1 plus. You can take 1 minus m or 1 minus m also we can write it. Here m not equal to 1 because m not equal to 1. If m equal to 1, it's not possible. Integration of 1 by d is log x. 50. Integration of x by 9 minus 4x square dx. 9 minus 4x square dx. Which function having derivative in the numerator? This. 9 differentiation is 0. 4 leaving x square differentiation 2x. 2 leaving x is 0. So let 9 minus 4x square equal to t. Here some student get doubt. So only x square equal differentiation is there. If you take x square equal t also, you will get. There is no problem. Instead of taking x square equal t, better you take the 9 minus 4x square equal to t. Why? Because 9 is constant. Constant derivative is 0. For easy purpose only. Instead of taking x square equal t, 9 minus 4x square is better. If you take t, that is better than that. So let 9 minus 4x square equal t. Apply differentiation with respect of t. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. 9 differentiation is 0 minus 4x square differentiation 8x into dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. X dx, let it be remain transpose that side, minus dt by 8. Substitute that. Integration x dx minus dt by 8. 9 minus 4x square equal to dt. So minus 1 by 8 integration of 1 by t dt. So minus 1 by 8 integration of 1 by t log t plus c. So minus 1 by 8 log of t, where t is 9 minus 4x square plus c. Next, the question number 60. Integration of e power 2x plus 3 dx. It is very easy. We can use shortcut method or direct. 2x plus 3 differentiation is 2. 2 is constant. Constant you can consider as a t, or shortcut method e raised to x. E raised to x. When we use the shortcut method, the what we have assumed as a x, the differentiation if it is constant, we can apply a shortcut method. E raised to x differentiation, e raised to x. 2x plus 3 differentiation is 2, that right denominator. So e power 2x plus 3 by 2. Or let 2x plus 3 equal to t. 2 x differentiation dx by dt. 3 differentiation is 0. 1 t derivative is 1. So dx equal to dt by 2. Integration of e power t dx equal to dt by 2. So 1 by 2 e power t integration e power t plus c. 1 by 2 e power t, where t is 2x plus 3 plus. This you can write direct also. You won't lose the marks. You can write step direct by using shortcut method. E raised to x integration e raised to x. We have assumed as x. That one differentiate, apply differentiate. That right denominator. Okay. Next, the question number 70. 70. X by e power x square. Integration x by e power x square dx. Okay. Let x square equal to t, because x square differentiation is the numerator. X square equal to t, x square differentiation 2x into dx by dt equal to 1. X dx is equal to dt by 2. Substitute. Integration of x dx equal to dt by 2. E power x square equal to e power t 1 by 2. 1 by e power t means e power minus t. 1 by 2 e power minus t integration minus e power minus t plus c. So minus e power minus t, where t is x square by 2 plus that we can write minus 1 by 2 e power x square plus. Next, the question number 18. Question number 18. E power tan inverse x. Integration e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. E power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Which having derivative here? 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x, no 2x. But tan inverse x differentiation is there. Yes, let tan inverse x equal to t. Okay, apply differentiation with respect of t. Apply differentiation with respect of t. Tan inverse x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. So dx by 1 plus x square equal to dt. So integration of e power tan inverse x equal to t, dx by 1 plus x square equal to dt. E power t integration e power t plus e power t, where t is tan inverse x plus c. Okay, now the question number 19. Question number 19. This is very important. Integration of e power 2x minus 1 by e power 2x plus 1 dx. Which is most important. Here, the denominator derivative e power 2x differentiation 2 into e power 2x. See. If you take e power 2x differentiation is 2 into e power 2x plus 1 differentiation is 0. But this is not there. We can multiply by 2 but minus 1. If minus 1 not there, we can take e power 2x plus 1 equal to d. So because of this form e power 2x minus 1 into dx, this form we should get. So this differentiation not there in the numerator. Are you following? If minus 1 not there, here e power 2x plus 1 derivative is 2 into e power 2x. Okay? So because of minus 1, we'll get confused here. We'll get stuck up. The student will stuck up here what to do. Okay? In this case, what to do? E power 2x, we have to split. See, integration e power x into e power x minus 1 by e power x into e power x plus 1 dx. Okay? Can I take common here e power x from numerator? E power x minus 1 by e power x. Correct? E power x take common from denominator, e power x plus 1 by e power x. Now we get this differentiation will be there here. e power x differentiation, e power x, okay, plus this is integration of e power x, e power minus x by e power x plus e power minus x dx. Now you see this whole function differentiation is there or not in numerator. Let's verify. E power x differentiation is e power x plus e power minus x differentiation is minus e power minus x. Here e power 2x plus 1 derivative is there, but one derivative is 0. Minus 1 not getting here. So to get this form, first we should split e power x into e power x. We should write and take common e power x. We will get this form. That's why which is very important. The student what to do? They won't get idea by seeing the question. When e power x, e power x form if they know, so 2x, 3x if they know, you should take common. Then now you see the denominator derivative is there here. So let e power x plus e power minus x equal to t. Now apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. E power x differentiation, e power x. E power minus x differentiation is minus e power minus x. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. T differentiation is 1. Okay. E power x minus e power minus x dx equal to dt. See? Understood? So integration of this is equal to dt by e power x plus e power minus x equal to t. Integration of dt by d log t mod plus c. So log of t, where t is e power x plus e power minus x plus c. Most important question. Next, question number 20. Because integration, the way of doing is problem wise. For each and every problem, there is no one method. Differentiation one method, u by v. If there means u by v, applicable for all the problems. But integration not like that. Okay, problem wise applicable. Second 20th question, e power 2x minus e power minus 2x by e power 2x plus e power minus 2x into dx. Check it. Is it the denominator derivative is in the numerator? E power 2x differentiation, e power 2x into 2. 2 leave it. E power 2x is there. Plus e power minus 2x differentiation minus 2 e power minus 2x. 2 take common. This will get. So this differentiation is there in the numerator or not? Yes. Like it, this differentiation not there. Because you have one differentiation here, 0, but here minus 1 is there. So because of that, we have taken e power x common. After taking e power x common, then the denominator derivative is there. Okay. When you apply differentiate, we get this. Understood? Reverse. After getting the answer, you can verify. You can apply differentiate, the answer should get. Now, let e power 2x plus e power minus 2x equal to t. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. E power 2x differentiation is 2 into e power 2x. E power minus 2x is minus 2 into e power minus 2x into dx by dt equal to t differentiation is 1. 2 take common, e power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx equal to dt. E power 2x, e power minus 2x into dx equal to dt by 2. Substitute that. E power 2x minus e power minus 2x dx equal to dt by 2. This is equal to t. So 1 by 2 integration of 1 by dt log t plus c. So 1 by 2 log of t e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c. Next 21 question number, integration of tan square 2x minus 3 dx. Tan square 2x minus 3 dx. Let 2x minus 3 differentiation is, let 2x minus 3 equal t, because 2x minus 3 differentiation is constant. Let 2x minus 3 equal to t. 2x differentiation dx by dt. 3 differentiation is 0. T derivative with respect of t is 1. Dx equal to dt by 2. Integration tan square t dx equal to dt by 2. 1 by 2 integration of tan square t. How can find integration of tan square t? There is no formula in the standard formula. The standard formula secant square t is there, integration of cosec square t is there, but integration of tan square t not there. So convert into secant square t. Most important. 1 by 2 tan square t equal to secant square t minus 1 dt by property. Here secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Trigonometry identities. Tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1, because there is no standard formula, but secant square theta standard formula is there. So 1 by 2 integration of secant square t tan t. Integration of secant square t tan t. Integration of cosec square t minus cot t. Okay, minus 1 dt integration t plus c. So 1 by 2 tan of where t is equal to 2x minus 3 minus t 2x minus 3 plus c. 22. The same model, if it is given cot square of 2x minus 3 is given. Here we get cot square t. Cot square t integration how can find? Cosec square t minus 1, because there is no formula for cot square t. In first exercise we have discussed how we can find tan square theta integration, cot square theta integration. Okay, are you following? Integration of sin square t we have not discussed. Integration of cos square t we have not discussed, but we have discussed integration of tan square theta, integration of tan square x, integration of cot square x, integration of secant square x, integration of cosec square x. Integration of secant square x, there is formula only, tan x. Integration of cosec square x minus cot x. Integration of tan square x convert into secant square formula. Integration of cot square convert into cosec square formula. So integration of sin square and cos square we will discuss further class. Okay. Now 22 question, integration of secant square 7 minus 4x. 7 minus 4x. Let 7 minus 4x equal to t. Okay, 7 differentiation 0 minus 4 into x differentiation dx by dt equal to 1. 4 dx equal to minus dt by 4. dt by 4. Integration of secant square t dx equal to minus dt by 4. So minus 1 by 4 integration of secant square t dt term. So minus 1 by 4 secant square t integration tan t plus c. Minus 1 by 4 tan of 7 minus 4x plus c. Now write the homework. Integration of tan square x plus d. Homework. Integration of cot square 3x minus 2 dx. Integration of e power 2x plus 1 by e power 2x minus 1 dx. This is the most important. Integration of e power sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square dx. Integration of 1 by x into log of x whole square dx. Log of x whole square dx. Integration of e power ax plus b dx. Ax plus b dx.